Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to lock specific WhatsApp chats with Fingerprint. Locking specific WhatsApp chats with your Fingerprint moves them to a secure, locked chats folder and hides their notification previews. So, how to lock a chat? Go ahead to your WhatsApp and find the chat you want to lock. So, let's say this person. Right? Sorry, mom, I'm going to throw you under the bus. Now, hit her name or hit the individual name at the top, scroll a little bit down, and turn on lock chat. This will hide the chat on this device. Okay, so once you go back, you can apply the settings. If you want to find the person that you locked, scroll up, right? And as if you're trying to refresh, and lock chat will pop up. Just press it and confirm via facial recognition. And you're going to see, of course, your hidden chat here. Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.